the most important weapon in the world is the media. The media can convert black into white, day into night, hero into a villain, villain into a hero. And we find today in the international media, there is virulent propaganda regarding Islam. We find in the international media, the international newspapers, the international magazines, the radio broadcast stations, the international satellite channels, on the internet, they are bombarding misconceptions about Islam. And according to an article that came in the Newsweek magazine on 16th of April 1979, it said that more than 60,000 books have been written against Islam in a span of 150 years. If you calculate, it is more than one book every day. And after 9/11, this has reached epidemic levels. And we find regularly in the media that Muslims are labeled as fundamentalists, as extremists, as terrorists,